I got the downpipe out after spending about an hour trying to figure it out. You have to take off that steering knuckle from the steering input shaft to get around that awesomely poorly designed downpipe. This is what I was dealing with. Check out that notch though. Whoa, just to get by, just to make it functional. That's all. The whole reason why I got this downpipe. But now that I know everything's running 100%, it's time to do a little upgrade. But yeah, that's what we're doing. It's all going down. So, anyways, this is what it looks like. Take these Tomei twin turbs off, M8260s, and they definitely spool up hella quick. So if anybody's thinking about getting some Tomei twins, I highly recommend it. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for now. Look at what it looks like underneath here. You can see. Anyways, that's the gist of it. Time to upgrade. More power.